Tom, James from video production is here.
James, thank goodness you're here. We're cutting it a bit close, aren't we?
Oh yeah, I was just working on this back to school video.
Did you get everybody's reports?
Oh yeah, I got Jeannie, I got Sam, I got Debbie and Adam, so.
All right. Well, hey, thank you so much. I gotta run, I'm really busy.
Oh hey, Pac-Man!
Oh, that thing's out of order. Don't worry about it.
Oh.
Thank you, James. Thank you. Appreciate the DVD.
Well hey, where's the video going? Facebook?
It's going external.
So like Facebook?
Just thank you, James. Have a good day.
All right. Facebook. Isn't that what Facebook is? External, it's not internal. I should probably know what that is. External.
Wow. They never talked about this in my superintendent's program.
Attention! If you are a private school, charter, or any institution established after Y2...
Hey, Sonny, looks like you might need your stuff on a nice hover whiteboard. Looks like you're not really kind of hover whiteboard kind of guy. Get out of town, hey. Oh, hey, guy over there, want to hover whiteboard?
How's your school district doing this year? Well, at CCA, we focus on serving the families.
Attention. Everyone report to the Great Hall. Hearings are about to begin.
Settle down. Houseoff Grade School District, you do not have the permission of the Intergalactic Committee of Educational Excellence to begin the 2021-22 school year until you've made the proper revisions. Good day. But sir, Azog 3 is one of the galaxy's finest school districts. Azog 3 was a disappointment this year. We have 13,000 school districts in just the United States alone to get through, so let's move it along. Next, President and CEO Thomas Longenecker, representing Commonwealth Charter Academy of Earth. Mr. Longenecker, please come to the platform.
Good afternoon.
So, tell everybody about the school.
We've grown a lot this past year. We've persevered through the COVID pandemic. Our student population has doubled, and we've hired 500 plus teachers.
Well, Mr. Thomas, those are impressive numbers, but we are going to need more than that.
Wait, there's more. We prepared a video to share with you.
Hi everybody. I'm Debbie Reynolds. I'm the director of TechWorks here in Pittsburgh at our new campus at the waterfront.
Hi, I'm Jeanne McCarthy, and I'm the Director of Learning Technologies at CCA.
Hello, my name is Samantha Johnson, and I'm the Director of Aquaponic Programs here at CCA.
Hi, I'm Adam Fraser, Vice President and Provost at CCA.
We have just launched our new Edio Go app. All caretakers can go to the App Store to get Edio Go on their mobile device for easy access to a variety of features in Edio to make monitoring online learning so much easier for parents.
Now more than ever, it is a fantastic time to be a part of CCA when we have everything around us seem to be stopping, retreating, halting in some fashion. CCA is still pushing forward.
We're looking so forward to inviting the students back here to campus.
We're also going to be conducting some fabulous programming with our students, ranging from clubs to activity days, edutainment, internships, and so much more.
We have drones and we have cybersecurity and VR and AR, and we have so much.
With so many staff returning, we've got an opportunity to individualize students' education so much so and support them through that we're going to see their performance hopefully skyrocket.
So again, we're really excited to kick off this school year, and I wish everyone a great 21-22 year.
Our students are ready. Our teachers are ready. Our school is ready to open. CCA is always focused on serving families, delivering a personalized, flexible program. Mr. Alien, sir, we prepare kids for the future, no matter what the world or outer space may throw at them. We're requesting permission to open school for the 2021-22 school year.
Mr. Tom, from Earth CCA, your speech and video have melted my 17 hearts. Your school, truly, is exceptional. Which is why the Intergalactic Committee of Educational Excellence is providing a 5-star rating to CCA and is granting permission to begin the 2021-22 school year.
Back to basics.